Hello friends, welcome to TechGitter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix any Discord installation error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. This method is very simple. Just follow the steps one by one until you find the solution that works for you. Delete old Discord files. Click on the Start menu and search for Run. Open it and type %appdata%, press Enter. Scroll down and look for the Discord folder. Right-click it and delete it. Now repeat the same thing. Open Run again. Type %localappdata%. Delete the Discord folder if it appears. Check VPN settings. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Click VPN. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it. If you have a VPN installed but not connected, try connecting and then reinstalling Discord. Close background processes. Open your Task Manager. Find Discord in the process list. If it appears, right-click it and select End Task. Download a new installer. Open your browser and go to discord.com/download. Download Discord setup.exe. Right-click on the downloaded file and go to Properties. Click Compatibility. Check Run this program as administrator. Apply. Then OK. Try launching the installer again. Start the Windows installer service. Go to the Start menu and search for Services. Scroll down and find Windows Installer. Double-click it. If the service is stopped, click Start, then press OK. Reset Windows Installer. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following commands one by one. msexec/unreg. msexec/regserver. Restart your PC, and then try installing Discord again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the Discord installation problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.